My name is Anetta Lukjanova. I'm 26 years old, originally from Finland, and I have been in the academy for the past 3 years. I definitely wanted to have a heavily patterned rug on the background, something that looked quite rich and Slavic or Russian maybe. And I had the chance to use my flatmate as my model. I came to the academy thinking I will learn very technical skills only, and I didn't even realize what are the things that would be the most valuable things I leave the academy with. I've learned a lot more about being a human, about myself, my own personality, a lot of the qualities that a painter should have, I think. Now I feel I'm a lot more ready, a lot more comfortable with the process of painting. I think a lot of the parts that are included in the process of creating a painting, like dealing with frustration or excitement, overexcitement even, all kinds of difficulties, I know how to deal a lot better now. Especially because I work in mediums of drawing, oil painting, and also large-scale murals. I'm quite excited about specifically the oil painting that I'm going to be able to do by myself now, without any guidance, really explore what is my style, how can I make that medium behave like I want it to behave. So yeah, that's quite exciting to see what happens.